If you want your line to be thin, you're gonna pick just a little bit of your Weaver gel. If you want the line to be a little bit thicker, you dip it in a little bit more and you pick more of your Velvetty gels. I want some thin line, I want some a little bit thicker line. All right, see that how simple it is? It looks really good in person though. We're definitely gonna take a picture for all of you, okay? So here for 30 seconds. And then wipe this off. And also, after that, what we're gonna do is condensed glue gels, and we're gonna put the pumpkins on. Should I put the skeleton hands on at all? Pumpkin. On the top, floating on the top. Not too much, not too little. Okay. And no wet top coat. Floating on the top. I'm loving this now. The glitter, it just everything. I don't know. It doesn't look. It doesn't. Why it doesn't transfer well? Okay, after I'm done with curing, I will take it off from that stand and I will show you. It looks so gorgeous. You gotta see it in person. A lot of you love this and got that already. So I'm so excited for you, for all of you. Gonna get a pumpkin, and this now we don't have a pumpkin, but we have a skeleton hand, and then the ghost mask, the screaming face. And we're gonna do the pumpkin right here. She needs to be right there. And this pumpkin is so happy. I'm gonna just give her a little like a pumpkin spice. Meet our pumpkins. And then she got a little extra there. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of like metal beads. I mean little is mean this like couple. You know, you can definitely have. I'm so excited when I back from the show. I'm gonna wear this. You see me wear short nail, like short, and I'm loving it as well. You can still have fun when you're wearing a short nails. Still have a lot of beautiful, cute things, and you have a short nail and long nail. All right. Okay. I want more beads. I mean, 2 more beads. I'm so excited this weekend. We are going to see everyone. We're at booth 851. So if you are going to the show, we would love to see you. All right, so now is the best thing about condensed glue gels and top coat that we can able to adjusting it until you're happy. And then we're going to cure the charms and crystal placement. All right, cure for 60 seconds. I mean, cure for 60 seconds if you don't do anything else, but I'm curing for 30 seconds, okay? Because I'm come back and do the ring fingers and then pinky as well. So